Hiya, it's Peter from the maths team. Got another game for you to play at home. This one is called Numbers in a Row, and it's a place value game where we're going to pick two numbers to make a two-digit number, and it's a bit like bingo. The person who completes a row on the game board like this, I don't know if you can see, but there are 4 spaces on every row, and the winner is the person who writes the last number in a row so that the row of numbers is complete. Right, we're ready to play. So I'm going to turn over my first 2 cards, and the cards that I'm turning over are 3 and 5, and I'm making 35, but I can't go because look, 35 is already taken.
And I've turned over 2 and 4, 24. So I can fill in that square.
My turn. I've picked over a 7 and 8, 78, and that goes there. That's still blank.
And I have 8 and 3, which is 83.
I've got 5 and 9, 59, and 59 goes there.
And I have 5 and 6. Can't go, we've already got that number.
I've got a 1 and a 5, 15. So I'm going to write that in there, in between 14 and 16.
I've got 1 and 9, and that's already been filled in.
I've got 6 and 8, 68. And that goes there.
I've got 4 and 2, and that's already been filled in.
I've got 7 and 4, 74. That goes there.
I've got 9 and 3, 93.
I've got 1 and 3, 13.
I've got 3 and 1, 31.
5 and 7, 57.
7 and 4, 74. That's already gone.
3 and 7, 37. That goes there.
2 and 7, that's already gone.
Eight and 3, 83. Look, it's gone.
6 and 1, 61. Yes.
9 and 5, 95. That's there.
4 and 5, 45.
8 and 5, 85. That goes there.
6 and 4, 64.
7 and 2, 72. Are we anybody nearly winning yet?
Wow. 4 and 8, 48.
7 and 7, 77. And that's the winner. Look, I've completed a line. Can you see? 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So I'm the winner. If you look at the instruction board, there are lots of different boards for all the different year groups. So it doesn't matter how old you are. Enjoy the game. See you next time. Bye.